Guys, look at the small fish here. You see the small fish? I don't know if you can see very well. These are the small fish in this dam. Guys, this dam has also in the dam. Fish. People fish here. Every day they fish. You can get some fish, tilapia, like. But beneath the water, you can see there, my friends, they are so fishing. So here, today I'm not going to fish. I'm going to swim. Let's move to the place. Like, this is the only bridge here. 50 meters. So I'm going to the other side. So in the middle there, it's very you see how massive this dam is? It's too big. Deep. The water may look calm, but very dangerous. Too big. This dam and this dam. Sadly, people have lost their lives here. When even women, unalive children, and they were taking shower, walk, like more than 10 people around here. People drowned. This dam was some people thought they are expert swimming, and they go far. This dam and they lost their life. But today, no signs. Let's look. No guard. But I will not go to their far end there. Some people are just washing their clothes there. Let's go and swim and see. To swim here, you have to know how to swim, so that you can enter in this dam. It looks like a ocean. So guys, let's go and swim. Guys, this place is so deep. This place is so deep. I want to stand. Hey, let me stand. You see how deep it is. I enjoy swimming here. Let me go another. Njoo tushindane. Njoo tushindane. Bora. Mimi nikuja chukuja. Sawa. So, you see this boy, they know how to swim, these boys. They know how to swim, they are perfect, and we want to do a challenge. We want to go inside to see who will come up first.
Jana shaka kufa. Yaani hapo mpaka kesho.
Huyu jamaa anajua. Huyu jamaa anajua. Huyu jamaa anajua. Now we want to do a challenge to swim that side and we come back. Okay.
Joro mgeni anakuacha. Yaani Joro mshana kutrenia miaka kama mna 90. Mbona umeona miaka 70, miaka 90 na kuiga. Leo hii unakuja kunidhaisha.
Majora genge tupe.
Ngeke kombe. Ya nyoye.
Umekunywa maji. Umekunywa maji. 7.
Guys, I'm very tired. Kumbuka watu wengine. The water is so cold.
So cold. You don't need to shower again after here. You have already showered.
Now we want to do a challenge. Thinking.
Oh,
Who will come up first?
yeah. Losers. Acha ya kuja alafu tuanze 1 2 3.
Mwambie anakusikia.
Anasema?
Anataka kuingia.
Unataka kuingia?
Angalia na huko hivi.
Sasa basi niangalie na huko. Matasuru sasa sasa kabla sijaingia. Sasa ingia kwanza.
Haya. Sawa.
Ya kuzama?
Yani
You are going to go drown. The first who come up
is the
is
weak
the loser.
loser ya.
The longer you stay, let me set the minutes actually. Ngoja kwanza. Saa hii ni saa 11 na 19. Twende sasa.
Count.
Tunaenda tu, ita count yenyewe. 1 2 3 go.
Kivangi.
Matasuru ya the loser. You're the loser.
There is one. There is still one.
Hey, there's someone.
There is still one there.
Ako wapi huyu asikuwa amezama ba? That's one is the winner. Yeah. You didn't even stay for 1 minute. Wow. anaenda kutokezea huko.
There is one.
Na mmepata hajatoka.
Ndio.
Ameenda wapi tena? Eh.
Guys, I'm so tired.
So wonderful. For me, I can't just go there because
I've never even been into a swimming pool, let alone the dam. No, hiyo mjiko kwanza. Inakaa tamu ukijua. Mimi sasa niende. Deep venye amesimama hivyo chini nimefika chini. Mmekanyaga chini kwa ground?
Hauoni penye nani yako?
Nikanyaga unapotelea. Siwezi ingia.
Mami ya kamera. Viumbe. Njoo. Mtu ameka. Ndio mtu punge upepo.
1, 2, 3. This one cannot survive. Hey, what? Hey! The other guy is still in the water.
Yeah, that's the strong one.
The youngest. Hey, that guy. This one can zoom in.
Ziba ndo kifo mu. Oeni.
Kuja huku.
Tata kwenda hivyo. Rudi, sawa? Kwenda hivyo, rudi. Sawa? Twende hivyo, rudi. Sawa? Twende.
Masane. Hey!
Njolo.
Swimming in the dam like it's a river, it's a swimming pool. Andonga Masazulu.
Yeah, Masazulu.
Masazulu is there. God. Mtu anaenda hadi mwisho.
I think it is so very deep.
Uko mwisho? Kageuka.
Kule.
Hema huko. Hao wanaenda hadi wafike mwisho.
But hapa kule ni deep.
Uko mwisho?
Huko ni deep sana.
Barabara mbele. Baba nyuma.
Guys, I've finished swimming there. I found the truth. If you don't know how to swim, please don't go and swim there. I thought there were some elders who told me that when you enter this dam, to get out, you are so lucky. I've swum there, and I think I'm so lucky to be alive. But guys, I'm shivering. The place is so cold. The water is so cold. So guys, this is the end of this video. If you are new here, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend. I want to show some of my friends who are here. Don't mind about me. I'm shaking because of the cold water. So let's go. Thank you. Guys, I have some of my friends here. They'll introduce themselves.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you are going to watch this video. Okay, we have been on dam. We have been doing swimming, but I was not among the boys. So we are here, guys. Support my brother here, Kidogo, or we have changed the name, Masazulu. Yeah. To 1,000 subscribers and also to 4,000 watch hours so that he can monetize soon. So thanks a lot. And for me, I'm a YouTuber, also can come and support me by subscribing, commenting, like and share. Okwemba, watch my video. I have a playlist, you can come and support me too so that I can reach and aim 4,000 watching hours. So thanks a lot and stay tuned for this video.
Yeah, I have another friend here.
Yes, guys. Hello guys, this is Fema Travels and I am at Masazulu YouTube channel. This is the first time actually I think I'm on your channel.
Yeah.
You are on the river, you are swimming like a fish. Guys,
trying.
I went with them, but before you crucify me, I didn't see them naked. I waited until they have entered the water before I can go there and take a video. So
even there was no one who was naked.
Yeah, no one was naked actually. So thank you so much, Masazulu.
Yeah.
My name is Fema Travel, guys. I'm talking as I'm chewing. No bad manners.
Yeah, thank you for being on my channel.
Yeah, thank you.
I'm so glad.
Thank you so much.
Okay, guys, this is the end of this video. This one is not my best video, but my next video will be the best. So stay tuned. Wait for my next video. Please subscribe, comment, like and share.